Hey, welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of multiple sequence alignment tools. These are the powerful programs scientists use to compare DNA and protein sequences, and honestly, they're at the heart of how we unravel all sorts of evolutionary mysteries. If you've ever wanted to know how that works, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
So, here's our game plan. First, we're going to tackle the alignment puzzle to really get why this is so important. Then, we'll meet our three main players, Clustal Omega, Muscle, and MAFT. And to wrap it all up, we'll walk through a super practical guide to help you figure out which tool is the right one for you.
All right, before we even touch the tools, let's talk about the problem they're built to solve. What's the big deal with aligning sequences anyway? Why does this matter so much?
This right here is the perfect analogy. It is exactly the challenge biologists are up against. They have these multiple related sequences of DNA or protein, and each one is like a slightly different version of that same ancient story. The whole point of multiple sequence alignment is to line them up column by column to see what's the same and what's different. This is how they figure out everything from family trees of species to the critical parts of a protein. It's all about finding that original story hidden inside the code.
Okay, so now that we get the puzzle, let's meet the solvers. And I want you to think of these three tools less as competitors and more like a specialist's toolkit. Each one is designed for a very specific job.
This table gives us a fantastic snapshot. You can see right away that each tool has its own specialty. Clustal Omega is your reliable, all-around workhorse. Muscle, that's the speed demon for when you have a mountain of data. And MAFT is the precision instrument for those really tricky jobs. So let's zoom in on each one.
First up, the OG of the group, Clustal Omega. If these tools were on a team, Clustal would absolutely be the seasoned veteran, the one that everybody trusts to just get the job done.
For decades, the Clustal family of tools has been a bedrock of bioinformatics. It's usually the first tool any researcher learns, and it's been cited in just a staggering number of scientific papers. Because it's so widely used, its results are really well understood and trusted across the scientific community. It's the standard for a reason.
So what does that mean for you? Well, if you're working with a reasonable number of sequences, and they're not wildly different from each other, Clustal Omega is a fantastic choice. It's the go-to for your everyday alignment tasks, and it's going to give you solid, reliable results every time. It's the safe pair of hands.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about Muscle. If Clustal is the reliable veteran, Muscle is the high-performance sprinter built from the ground up for one thing: pure speed.
Look, in today's world of genomics, we are swimming in data. Researchers might need to align thousands or even tens of thousands of sequences at once. Trying to do that with a slower tool? It'd be like trying to empty a swimming pool with a teaspoon. It's just not practical. Muscle was built to solve exactly that problem.
And this is where Muscle really shines. It's unbelievably fast, which makes it the obvious choice for any large-scale project. But what's really amazing is that it achieves this speed without totally sacrificing accuracy. It uses some clever tricks, like rapid distance estimation, to get a good result fast. So when you've got a huge dataset and time is not on your side, Muscle is the clear winner.
And last but not least, let's meet MAFT. If Muscle is the sprinter, MAFT is the surgeon, obsessed with getting every single detail exactly right. For MAFT, it's all about precision.
So, why would you need that level of precision? Well, imagine trying to align sequences from species that are super distantly related. Or maybe you have sequences with all sorts of weird insertions and deletions. In these really tough cases, one tiny error in the alignment can lead you to completely wrong conclusions. That's where MAFT is an absolute lifesaver.
What makes MAFT so powerful is its combination of accuracy and flexibility. It actually offers a whole bunch of different algorithms, including a really cool one that uses something called a fast Fourier transform to find similar regions quickly. This gives it a serious edge in precision, and it lets you fine-tune your approach for even the gnarliest datasets. When the puzzle is complex and accuracy is everything, MAFT is the tool you need.
Okay, we've met the team. We have a reliable veteran, our sprinter, and our surgeon. So now for the million-dollar question. How do you pick the right one for your project? Let's make it simple.
It really just comes down to these three questions. First, how much data are you working with? A handful or a mountain? If it's a mountain, Muscle is your friend. Second, how similar are your sequences? If they're pretty close relatives, Clustal Omega is a solid, reliable choice. But if they're really divergent and complex, you're going to want the precision of MAFT. And finally, what's more important to you right now? Getting an answer quickly or getting the most accurate answer possible?
Answering that will point you straight to the right tool.
So there you have it. 3 amazing tools, each a champion in its own right. The biggest takeaway here is that there's no single best tool for everything. There's only the best tool for your specific question. And now that you know the toolkit, you're equipped to go out and tackle some of biology's most fascinating challenges. The only question left is, what mystery are you going to solve first?